egg hunts, but they're not Easter eggs. They're gummies that you can eat. And they're all over. Go get them.
Not gonna care at all. You gotta go show him. Are you excited? Are we gonna let you eat that? Try it. You're gonna try and grab them all, aren't you? Yeah. You don't wanna miss any. Yeah. Oh, look, there's even more. It tastes like candy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's good for the day. Hey! Hey, buddy, there's more stuff in here, you know. He's so calm. Are there any on there? Are they yummy? You know, you could put them in one spot and then come back for them. Hey, Kreslin. Yum! Those fruit gummies? Did the Easter Bunny leave those for you? There's one up here still.
But there's 3 down there.
What to do? Yeah, come get, nope. Can't decide. Is Easter Bunny nice? Leaving you all this yummy candy?
This is your Easter basket.
What's in there? Is that a bear to go with your zoo? Oh. Rawr.
Shall we listen to this one? Let's listen
Yeah.
to it.
Put it on your zoo.
What else is in the basket?
Is that a ducky? A ducky and a kitty? What else is there? You gotta pull them out, Kreslin. It's a little car. What does the car say? Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
Let me fix this one.
That's
Yeah.
right.
That's right.
You gotta let go. Your arm doesn't twist that far.
What's your hand? Ready?
Oh, Hey, good job. Yeah. Well done. Oh, you're getting better at that. Uh-oh. Someone spotted more candy. Is that a kitty? Does that kitty look like Bert? Maybe he's a naughty kitty. Yeah, a little red one.
Thank you.
What does the kitty say? Whee! Is Easter awesome? You get candy and presents?
No.
Off to search for something else.
There's more of your juice gummies around.
Way too many of them. That's right. They go back in the bucket, huh? Very good. Put it all away. Becky's pretty big, huh?
Change his mind. He wants to trust.
That's right.
Making Granddad proud.
All right, Kreslin. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Close the